Let's do some basic operations today. I'll show you how these operations work and you will be able to make a program yourself. First of all, I'll create some variables. I'll create a variable called number 1. Okay, so number 1 is created. I'll create another variable, number 2, create variable, create variable, answer. Okay, so we have created these 3 variables, number 1, number 2, and answer. Then let's set them. Set number 1 to some number, and that number would be say 4. Then number 2, we set that to 3, and then answer. We set the answer, we go to math, and we bring the operation command, operation block, and here we add those variables, number 1 and number 2. Number 1 and number 2. So what exactly we have done? Here we do answer. So we have taken 2 variables first, number 1, number 2, and assigned a value 4 and 3 to number 1 and number 2 respectively. And then we created one variable, that is answer. And then answer is equal to number 1 plus number 2. Okay, so what should be the answer? We all know. What should be the answer? What is 4 plus 3? 7. Yes, 4 plus 3 is 7, correct. Now we go to text and print. And into print, we write this thing. Answer is, and then again go to text and print, and then variable answer. We print the answer variable. Let's see. I'll press the run and see. Answer is 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Good.